Jadolo Mackenzie kachiel kod achije mamoko 94 ma itudo gi ketho mane Uganda e bungu Mashakahola ochwale doho Mombasa kama buche no ochakore ayanga. E burano piny owacho oseyango joneno 422 mabiro chiwo nendgi e ketho 238 mag nek ma itudo godo Jadolo Mackenzie kod achije wetene 94. Burano mochwale nyim jang'ad bura Alex Ithiku bro dhi nyime chakre kawuono nyaka tarik 15 dwe ni kaeto obiro dhi nyime kendo chakore tarik 9 nyaka 12 dwe mar 9 higani.
The accused persons collectively agreed to engage in starvation or fasting, among other extreme practices, leading to the loss of over 429 lives in a manner that depicted direct and indirect suicide pacts between them aimed at such loss of lives.
And our rebuttal will be the same, that in their exercise of their freedom of religion, assembly, and expression, there was no suicide pact. There was no suicide, and there was no death attributable to religion. So, Your Honor, even as the Honorable Court listens to the prosecution witnesses, we invite the Honorable Court to keep at its back pocket on the issue that there are currently no regulations on how faith should be exercised.